Have you ever wondered why your ads are not bringing in the sales you expected? Here's the secret most business owners miss. Before you run your ads, you need a solid plan. Do proper competitor research. See what's working for them. Pick the right keywords. Target what your customers are actually searching for. Set a realistic ad budget, one that matches your goals. Get these things right, and you will see your sales grow faster than ever. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact us today. We will help you plan a winning campaign. I, Aladdin, confidently assure a winning return on invest. Your money will be well spent with granted result. Thanks for watching.